So I'll be showing you how to hide your Instagram lives from someone or from some people. So if you don't want someone seeing your Instagram live videos, then you need to hide your lives from that person or from those people before starting your live video. And to do that, go to Instagram, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. That takes you to your profile page. And then tap on the three-line button in the top right corner and then select Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you get to Hide Story and Live. Tap on that. And then here, if you tap here, you can actually see the people I'm already hiding stories and live from. Okay. Now, stories and live videos for this particular setting have been combined. When you hide stories, you're also going to hide live videos for that person. And when you hide live videos, you'll also hide live stories for that particular person. So to hide from someone, just you can go to this suggested list, pick a person and just tap on that check mark next to their name and they're going to get added to the list. All right. Now, if you want a specific person, you can just go to the search function, just start typing their name and you might find them, and then you can add by checking the check mark next to their name. And then once you're done selecting who you want to hide your live video from, tap on done in the top right corner. So from now on, whenever you go live on Instagram, those people added to that list will no longer see your live videos. And also, they will not be able to see your stories. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.